Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll talk about how to get your learner's permit in California. So let's get started. So basically this guide is for under 18s only in California specifically. You must be at least 15 and a half to take the written permit test, which basically has like 46 questions and requires 83% pass rate. And you basically only get like 3 tries, so don't mess that up. So let's talk about the driver's ed, which is basically a mandatory and you can start at the age of 15. So you have two ways. You either go to the DMV office to take the course, which costs basically a lot of money, or you can get a course online for like $15 from Groupon, and the course basically consists of 11 lessons with many quizzes. And after you finish that, you have around like 6 months to get ready for the final test, which has around 66 questions you need to complete. And after completing the driver's ed, you have to fill out the DL-44 form, and it's available online on the dmv.ca.gov. And you have to just confirm the residency and the personal information in California. And basically, doing everything online helps you skip waiting time at the DMV. And basically, you need like 3 confirmation and 3 documents, like your passport, and the documents that shows your name and address, and basically the DMV will verify everything. And after that, you just have to schedule an appointment or just visit early to avoid like the crowds and just to finish everything as fast as possible, and you'll be all set. So yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers.